Travis 59 leading 20. Starting to get ready to go. Well, there goes 22, but alright, there goes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 coming by, and there's a freight train behind them, and stay tuned for that. Bye bye. Now, real quick, 21 is running way late due to freight train interference, so we probably won't be able to see 21 if he's way late. Like, meaning that he's not gonna come until like maybe after 11 o'clock or something. That means or even like towards 1 a.m. Yeah, we're not gonna have time for that. So sorry about that. We're gonna have to scramble for every freight as we can today, and we'll see what happens. Bye bye.